Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogtober day 17. It is roughly about 7 o'clock in the morning. I am heading to Starbucks really quick. Y'all, it's cold outside this morning. It is 44 degrees here. So I did warm up the car this morning. I'm still cold. I had the chance to kind of like curl my hair this morning. So you know, like once the daytime comes out, you'll see that. You can kind of see that. But anyways, I'm just gonna go grab me like a hot drink, and hopefully I can grab me like a I don't know, a cheese Danish or a baked apple croissant or something for breakfast really quickly, and then I'm gonna head off to work and see what I get into for today. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back.
Got it. Is that all for you?
That is it.
All right, I'll put that in. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you. They are officially done. Seems like they're officially done with the baked apple croissant, and honestly, it was a hit. So I wish that, you know, it would have stayed. This machine right here is what took my card. All right, so I got the white chocolate mocha grande size. So yummy. Cheese Danish that's warmed up, and for lunch, in case my Philly cheesesteak doesn't turn out right, I just got an egg and cheddar protein box that has eggs, a muesli, bread, which is multi-grain, grapes, apples, and then some peanut butter spread. Yeah, y'all, cheese Danish is my favorite. I actually started a little GoFundMe for Starbucks. I'm joking, y'all. That's what these stars is for. That's what you earn them for. They eventually get you some free stuff. Alright, y'all, ain't that crazy? Just 10 minutes ago it was a little dark outside. Now it's fully light outside. But I've made it to work. I'm gonna get ready to head inside, where hopefully it's still warm at, because it was warm in here. Alright, so I'm going to put Cam on the bus, which means like I have to leave work every single morning and, you know, like go put him on the bus. So it takes me about 10 minutes, like a couple minutes to get back to the house, and then so like 3-4 minutes to drive over to the house, 3-4 minutes to drive back, and then like a minute or two for him to actually get out the car. I'm so tired of being faithful. I play games, I play my cards, breaking rules, breaking hearts. I'm telling you, y'all, the radio station know exactly what to play for me when I'm on my way back to work, especially when I got to hear the whole song. But if you guys haven't checked out that yet, please be sure to do so. Oh. Yeah, please be sure to do so. It is J How. It's called Faithful. I'm telling y'all, when you hear it, because you know, I don't need no copyright or nothing, but yeah, let's go and get the day over and done with, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm off of work, heading home to go and take my stuff in the house really quickly before I had to get Cam off the bus. I will show you guys what my coworker brought me back from New Orleans. So, y'all, it's inspiring when someone brings you back something, but like I sent her with $25, and I was like, look, whatever you feel like is me, get it. And she did just that, so I'm gonna show you that. Alright, so first of all, my coworker was nice enough to, you know, stop and get stuff that she thought would be me with the $25 that I gave her, because I didn't want to give her too much and like not get to experience it myself. So she got me this New Orleans shot glass. I love how it has like the pink on it. That is really, really cute. This was only $4.99. On the inside it has some of the pink things as well. In this bubble wrap here, she got me this cute like spoon thing. She was like, Ciara loves to cook, so this is what I'm gonna get for her. This was only $2.99. I'm like, I don't want to mess this up, so I'm not gonna put anything on it. I'll just use it for decoration, and that's it. And then also down in the bag, she has bought me a shirt, and I'll show you guys the shirt. So the shirt is orange, and I am not sure how to pronounce this, so I'm not even gonna try to say it. Maybe La Nouvelle, New Orleans. And so, really, really cute. This is size large, which is good. Also, she had ended up giving me some change back. I told her I didn't even want it. I was thankful that she got me stuff. In this bag here, she ended up getting me a new magnet for my refrigerator. This is adorable. This was $6. I really do like this, so I can't complain. Like literally 5, 11, and then that's 14, and I'm assuming that the shirt was the rest. Also, she bought me a bunch, and I mean a bunch of packets that will help me to like kind of like book my trip. So Louisiana attractions, New Orleans, Louisiana map editions, the plantation tours, this one as well, and then another one of this, and then the French Quarter walking tour, bicycle tours and rentals, the hop on hop off city tour, and then a coupon for Louisiana. But y'all, the food just looks so seasoned and Cajun. The French Quarterly, where New Orleans Traveler, and she bought me this one, the Travel Post New Orleans fall flavor. So, alright, so for dinner, I am going to make myself the Trader Joe's pasta. So I'm going to be using these organic fall zucchetti pasta, butternut squash, like little pumpkins, and then the Trader Joe's autumnal harvest creamy pasta sauce. Alright, so we got it to a boil. I'm now going to add in the pasta shells. These honestly look like little pumpkins. Alright, so we'll let that boil uncovered for about 8 minutes. Alright, so in this one I'm going to add some of that pasta sauce. Not sure how much to add until it's done. And then in this one, I'm gonna add in a little bit of the olive oil, because on the back it says I can add it into pasta or olive oil. So I wanna see which one's gonna be better, the olive oil or the actual fall pasta sauce. We'll see which one's better. Alright, so I put some in a container with the harvest pasta sauce, olive oil, like I said. Just gonna see which one I like better here to eat for dinner. Well, Olive Garden, that's my second time saying that. Olive Garden, okay. Olive oil. Ain't got no taste to it. So let's try the pasta sauce. I like that. Okay, y'all, so I also found in the refrigerator the honey roasted pumpkin ravioli that I bought from Trader Joe's. So this is thin stuffed pasta with cheesy pumpkin filling. I'm gonna cook this in 4 quarts of salted boiling water for 2 to 2.5 minutes. And then I'll drain it and toss it with some of that sauce right there. So I'll make both of these using this sauce, and I will figure out which one I like better. And then, like I said, I can have lunch for tomorrow. So I'll show you guys these once I actually open it, and then I'll show you guys the meals that I cook out of this so I can have lunch and dinner. No, I'm gonna use this one. All right, so boiling hot water, we're gonna add the pumpkin ravioli in to a boiling pot of salted water. These are gonna cook for about 2 to 2.5 minutes. So one side is orange, the other side is yellow. I guess I should give these a smell test here just to see what it's gonna smell like. I can't smell it while I'm getting them into the actual pot. All right, so these are well drained. I'm now going to maneuver them to this little bowl right here. I am going to put some of the creamy Autumnal Harvest pasta sauce on here, just a little bit. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna try part of the pumpkin pasta ravioli without the sauce first to see if I like it without it, and just to see what it tastes like before the sauce. So I really can't like get it. Anyway. You know what? It's actually not bad. There is definitely like pumpkin flavoring on the inside. And like I said, it's not bad, but I am gonna try it with the sauce. This doesn't even smell bad. It honestly smells amazing. Wow. So made with pumpkin and butternut squash. Wow, tomato puree, pumpkin puree, butternut squash puree, heavy cream, carrot puree, cane sugar, butter, salt, dried onion, citric acid, dried garlic, parsley, black pepper, cayenne pepper powder, dried rosemary, and sage powder. Not bad at all. Anyways, let me try some of this with this sauce on top. There we go. Y'all, you can't even taste the difference. I literally feel like I'm eating a regular piece of ravioli, just without like the red sauce. Okay. Without the sauce and with the sauce, I give it a 10 out of 10 straight up any day. Head to your local Trader Joe's. Okay, y'all, so it's time. It's that time of the night where the kids have asked me to make something sweet. So we're gonna do the TikTok hack that everybody was talking about last year, where you take the chocolate chip. So I got the Nestle Toll House chocolate chip. It's gonna make 24 cookies. And then I have the Pillsbury Ghost cookies. These are 20 pre-cut shaped cookies. I'll show you guys exactly how I make those, and then I'm gonna call it a night. I have some schoolwork, and just gonna sit back and chill. Oh, yep, move your hands to the back, slide it in. Yep. right? This top, touch the top. Alright, y'all, taste test. These TikTok cookies are the bomb. Who would have thought to combine Pillsbury with Toll House? You literally get the best of both worlds. You get the best of the Pillsbury, like, sugar cookie part, but then you also get the best part of, like, the actual chocolate chip cookies. Thanks guys for tuning in to Vlogtober Day 17. I hope that you all have enjoyed. If you have, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Anyway, see you guys for Vlogtober Day 18.